Boom shakalaka, Bitcoin goes sideways after another Fed rate hike. Why this is better news than any of us could have expected. Stay tuned. What's up everyone, Randall here from Crypto Love. Today's video we're taking a look at a lot of very interesting charts for what could be panning out for Bitcoin in the upcoming years. It may be very, very awesome. Before we get into it, guys, make sure to like, subscribe, click the notification bell, come join us over on Twitter at the Crypto Love. Push that like button. And today, fear, same as we were yesterday at 30, the overall market pretty much going sideways after a little dip on the Fed inflation numbers. Right now, Bitcoin at $22.97, Ethereum at $15.44, BNB at $3.35, XRP 45 cents, Dogecoin 13 cents, Cardano 39 cents, and Solana $31. And Bitcoin right now has actually fallen below the confirmation point for this first double bottom, potentially invalidating it. We'll have to see what happens over the next couple days, but we have broken out of this long-term downtrend that Bitcoin was in. May actually come down to previous all-time high around $20,000, find support right there. But if we take a look, right now is a very good time to buy stocks, investments, other things like that. If we take a look at the CEO business confidence expectations for the economy 6 months ahead, we can see right now we are at historic lows. Every previous time we were at lows like this, look at where it was. Pretty much the absolute bottom for the market. Potentially, CEO confidence for expectations in the next 6 months is a counter indicator for buying. When their confidence is low, that's when you want to buy. Right now, Bitcoin leaving the Puell multiple green zone. The last time this happened, it was a game changer for Bitcoin within months. The price going from roughly $3,000 to about $14,000 and then eventually $70,000 over the next couple years. Right now, we have a descending wedge in Bitcoin. Last time this happened in 2015, descending wedge finding support, and then look at the launch off of that support. Now with the CPI numbers, with the Fed interest rate hikes coming in, and Bitcoin price still finding support right here, this could be putting the nail in the coffin before price takes off. Right now, comparing Bitcoin VP/VR volume profiles with past cycles, it seems like we're experiencing once again the same exact thing Bitcoin has seen previously. We have the volume profile over here on left. We have the POC line in the center. Then we have a drop, very similar drop in the first, second, and third cycles that we have here. And then we just have a long pullback consolidation before the price takes off once again. Happened again and again and again, likely happening once again. And this is just sideways movement before eventually it takes off. Because if we take a look at one of the best indicators for picking out Bitcoin's tops, also a very good indicator for picking out Bitcoin's bottoms, when the slope of this line flattens out and changes direction, that has historically been a very good marker for the bottoms. Well, if we take a look where we are right now, the Pi Cycle Top indicator, 3 days ago, the orange line, the 111 daily moving average, flipped from going down to going up. This could be very, very good news for Bitcoin in the long term. Definitely a change in direction. And if we take a look here, once again, Bitcoin just repeating itself. Current bear market bottom looks very similar to the previous one. We have a negative 42 to negative 45% drawdown from the base. We have high time frame double bottom formation. Here's 1, 2, here's 1, 2, and a little Adam and Eve double bottom. We have a MACD crossover occurring simultaneously. Next, we have the pump to reclaim the base. Right now, we have the pump to reclaim the base. That would be coming up next, potentially putting Bitcoin above $30,000. And if we can get back in the range of this double bottom setup, each double bottom, 97% chance for a 40% price pump. Each one will put it into the next double bottom confirmation point. That's why it's a triple inception double bottom. And all three of these would actually put Bitcoin back above that $30,000 area that we're talking about for the pump and base reclaim here. So once we break this, well, could set us up to go all the way back to 30, which brings us to this last chart right here. Now, a lot of people are saying that, hey, this correction may just be a little bit like 2018, 2019, 21, 22. They were both year-plus corrections, but that's where the similarities end. If we take a look at the altcoin market cap, DXY, ETH, Bitcoin, and Bitcoin dominance, all reveal difference in market positions. The current setup is much more in common with the end of 2016 and may surprise many. Now, if we go back to which chart was it? This chart right here, this was the end of 2016. Very, very similar setup right now to what we had back here in 2016, where we found support and then the price takes off. We have the same exact things happening to a much larger degree right now. If we take a look at altcoin market cap, we have the same downtrend right there. DXY, same uptrend to previous resistance. Same with the RSI down there. ETH Bitcoin, same exact thing. And BTCD doing almost the exact same things. All potentially setting up for a huge explosion once this fake recession gets resolved. So that's all for today's video. If you did enjoy it, push the like button. I will catch you guys later. Have a good one. Love you. Peace.
If you don't think Bitcoin's going to $1 million a coin and then $10 million a coin, you're already a loser.